Irwin's motorbike arrived.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at that. Irwin's been waiting for his motorbike, and they said mañana. It'll come mañana. And mañana is today. The motorbike has arrived. And this is how motorbikes arrive in Mexico. There it is. Irwin's motorbike has arrived. And it was supposed to come on Tuesday. Oh, but it is Tuesday. It's just next Tuesday.
You have your
ID.
ID.
Passport.
Prove it's you. And that's how the motorbikes get delivered.
Y aquí eran 4.
¿Aquí dijeron?
Aquí en el remolque.
Oh, aquí
Eran 4 y en la camioneta 4.
Todo aquí.
They arrive in these crates here, all wrapped in plastic. Now he's just being asked for some ID to make sure he's delivering it to the right person. This is how they deliver a motorbike here in Mexico. Probably coming from Guadalajara or something.
I got a new helmet, everything, yeah.
Right on. Comes with a new helmet, knee guards, and everything.
Waiting for the pants.
I wonder if it comes with oil and gas already in it.
Couldn't tell you.
I don't know.
I need my factura.
And here's another motorbike he's going to deliver. ¿De dónde usted?
Guadalajara.
Sí, aquí. ¿Este también?
No, también de Guadalajara.
Guadalajara, sí. So the motorbikes in this truck here comes from Guadalajara.
They look like hot points. They're obviously, they're obviously a gift, eh? Oh. Aquí. Yep.
All he has to do is sign for it after he's proven that it's really him.
Aquí. The initial? Abajito. Aquí. Aquí. What's malo?
Malo is bad.
Yeah,
Look for damage. Any damage on the bike?
malo.
You're saying there's no damage. So that's how they deliver motorbikes in Mexico. And here's the casa where the motorbike is being delivered to from Gallo in Guadalajara, Mexico. About 6 hours from here. This is how they bring the motorbikes on these trucks. ¿Cómo se llama?
Cristian.
Christian. Mi también. mi nombre es Christian también. We have the same name. Nombre similar. Sí, mucho gusto.
Igualmente, gracias.
Mi amigo de Guadalajara. And that's what they do when they get the other motorbike off.
My riding tag.
They re-secure it on there. Make sure it's safe.
And that's something I always wanted to do. I couldn't bought that bond where
And here's the brand new motorcycle that Irwin just bought. All nicely wrapped up. Oh, it's a dirt bike. It's an off-road bike. Look at that.
that's not going to move on.
And it's a Chinese-made bike that was
And that's the armor hits.
assembled in Mexico, I believe. Italika, I believe the brand name is. He's just securing the last remaining motorcycle on the rear of the tandem trailer. They have about 6 motorbikes on each trailer, nicely wrapped up. He ties them up really good. And they're wrapped really nicely in these boxes. They come fairly well shipped here, so you're very unlikely to get damage unless it had a serious accident. Hey Canella, what do you think of that? Canella puppy there.
So he can go in the
Checking
front.
everything out.
Oh, here's-
Muchas gracias.
You're welcome.
Irwin just gave him a little tip. Yeah, so Christian's just retying the last remaining motorbike on the rear trailer. He's got a tandem setup here. Looks like he's got 6 motorbikes on the front, 6 motorbikes on the back, and now he's only got 1 motorbike on the back, and that's the size of them in the crate there. Well, this is how this comes apart.
Grab the other end.
Well, there we go. We lifted the lid off here. Now Irwin's giving it a good check over. And look at that shiny little bike. It didn't even get any dust on it. They wrap it up so nice. But you just lift that little cover off. And that's how easy you can unpeel the packing. Check it all out. Does it look good, Irwin? No damage? Looks perfect to me. How does it look to you, Irwin? No damage? Looks good?
No, I don't think so. I wanted to get on it while he was still here.
Good idea.
Because then I just... There won't be. It's all pretty tight, eh?
Be a good thing for a Neo, if you see. The house.
Yeah, you can build a house out of that.
Yeah,
Home.
the Neo.
The kids will have fun with this.
Yeah.
Oh, you know that. Okay. Yeah, I read your
Why
mind.
we people?
In-
I read your mind.
Why we people?
Muchas gracias, Christian.
Gracias.
Me gusta mucho. So now he's gonna leave now. That was Christian, and he was delivering the motorbike to Irwin. So thanks for watching Budget Traveler, where you never know who you're gonna run into or what you're gonna see on Budget Traveler here in Higuera Blanca, Mexico. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for new and exciting videos. You never know what we're going to run into or who we're going to see on Budget Traveler.